What I want to show you on this Lightroom tutorial is basically how to make your picture pop with the colour. And as you can see, the picture on the screen at the moment is fairly dull. You know, the colour of the car yellow isn't really popping out as good as it should. And so what we're going to show you here is how to make that happen. Basically, we have a couple of tools on the the right hand side here of the screen, and also on the left we have presets. So I'll come to presets first just to show you a couple of things here. In my presets I have one called colour. That's it there. I open that up and I can then start to go down, and if you watch the screen itself you'll see that change various colours. However, although it's good for that, I tend to move over here under basics. You have as shot. If you open that up you can have auto. Click auto and see what happens. Not a great deal. And you can also click auto on the tones. Again, not a great deal. So this is where we start to work with the actual picture itself. Put basics down for the time being. We're now coming to colour. I'll just show you what that is there. HSL and colour. So we're now going to open that one up, and I want to start with saturation. Okay, so what we're really going to do is make the yellow pop out a little bit more, and probably some of the greens as well in the background. We'll have a look at the greens just now. If we can just bring them up, you can see the difference there it's making. Not a great deal, but we'll bring them up slightly anyway. And also the yellow. Now the yellow is important for the car. What we'll do is we'll bring the car up a little bit so as we can actually see that as it's changing. You can see there it's a nice yellow to go with. Yeah, I think that's quite good actually. Yeah. And if you want to see the differences that you've made, and it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward already. Your picture, if you look at it there, is popping out, more colour, more vibrant. And what we want to do is we want to actually have a look at that. I'll bring it back up again so as we can split the difference here and see. And as if you look, the difference in the yellows already, you can actually see there the colour is popping out quite well. That's obviously brought it up to a nice standard, that being the original, which looks pretty flat to be honest. And but when you look at it there, you can see the difference in the, I'll just bring it over a little bit more here. You can see the difference in the colours. There you go. So I'll just show you another angle there just to let you see the difference in that side there. I think that speaks for itself. You see the background here is filled in a bit more up that end, see it? And the colours here around the edge. So technically what we've done now is made your picture pop a lot more. Simple couple of clicks, that's all it was. Basics, do your automatic if you want, and then go to HSL colour and just adjust the sliders on there. Don't overdo it, because if you overdo it then it kind of gets messy. You can use your presets if you like. There are plenty presets to be had online for free. I don't tend to go buying them, I tend to go looking for them, and any that are free I just take, and I use them as and when I need them. So let that be a lesson to anybody who's out there just paying a fortune for some of these presets packs, which are basically made up of free presets that you can get online anyway. So this is Lightroom Classic, and that's us. We've completed the job of making that picture pop, and as I said to you before, you can actually see the difference, and I think you'll agree that the one on the right looks the best. Okay, again, thanks for watching.